This video is made possible by Skillshare, an online learning community. Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. It has been 4 months plus since we had an everyday live update here from Madeira. And now we have so many new exciting projects coming, so we thought, let's make another one.
We've spent 3 weeks almost in Denmark and almost 3 weeks in Portugal mainland, mainly in the north, and you've probably seen our videos from there. But now we're back here on our favorite island in the world, and we have so many cool things coming up. But first we want to talk about our health situation, because we've gained so much weight that it's just insane. I went to 97 kilos.
And I went to 79 kilos. That means that we really have to take our health into consideration now. And we have been doing that for 10 days now. And we're gonna share that with you as well.
How much have you lost, Amanda?
In total, I've lost 6 kilos.
I'm down to 91.7. Decimals are important. And I'm on keto, and it's really effective. And actually, me and Amalie, we're both doing our own transformation video. Mine will be 45 days. And I don't know about yours, Amalie. Will it be longer?
It will be until November 1st.
Okay. Whoa, what are you saying? What do you think? I'm gonna get you.
First, we are gonna share with you a little house update, because a lot of things has happened since we showed you our house last time. And the main piece is this one. This chandelier I found online, and I was like, oh my god, who made it? How is it possible to look like that? It's so fun.
I think it's like the kind of chandelier that you either love or hate.
Yeah.
And we already shared it on Instagram. Go follow, by the way. And I think 40% hated it with a passion.
Yeah.
But if nobody hates it, nobody loves it.
But something that a lot of you guys have liked over the time are our two ladies, Pygger and Rapunzel. And as you can see, they had a new haircut, because when they were transported from Lisbon, their hair fell off. We have our two titties here, which are our lambs. I don't think we showed them, but we are really, really happy. These are some of the things that we really agreed on when we had to buy.
Agreed on.
And it goes super well with the blue cabinet that hasn't been wrapped yet. But don't even start.
Wait, how's it going with that?
That's what I'm saying. It hasn't been wrapped yet. It will be.
You're the DIY master.
Actually, I am. Look behind you. I made that.
That is true. I think, Amalia, this is really impressive what you did here. I'm super proud of you.
This was an idea that actually turned out, you know. It looks like a more expensive kitchen now, I think.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
And how much we spent in total on this project?
116 euros in total. We got our coffee machine. This has been a dream for me since I was a little girl and I started drinking coffee. I wanted
You started drinking coffee as a little girl?
No, 14.
I didn't drink coffee until I met Amalia.
And I got you addicted, I'm sorry. But to have like a really good coffee machine is amazing, because
it's actually life-changing.
And now, like, you don't go out to spend money on coffee anymore. You spend the money at home on your own machine, you know.
One thing I love the most about having a professional coffee machine is that you can get so much different cool coffee, tasty coffee. And this is bourbon-infused coffee. And actually, it's our friend who makes Don Pablo. He's an American guy. More coming up on that topic later, potentially. Oops.
So we do have a lot of long-term project to talk to you guys about today, but we also have this one thing that we're gonna fix today. It's a short project, it's a small one, and it is fixing all these old plants from Lisbon that has died. This is dead, these are dead, this is barely surviving unless it comes in a bigger pot. So we are gonna fix these things today, so our balcony can be spotless.
Mate, you're like the Ted Bundy of plants. Great success from the morning, Amelia.
The worst thing is that I actually called them. I called this morning and I was like, do you have big lavender? Do you have big rosemary? They were like, yeah, we have it. We have the big ones. And then I saw they have one big rosemary and it's almost dead. We found a bunch of lavender, but they're fake. But we did find a lemon tree that I think we're gonna buy.
But it's like every time that we need something like plants, it's pretty hard to find it here in on Madeira, which is super ironic because, I mean, it's Madeira.
So as Jon said, I'm kind of a Ted Bundy when it comes to plants. I kill them all. However, this has changed and improved a lot lately as I've been taking a course on Skillshare, which is also the sponsor of this video.
Skillshare is an online learning community where you can obtain some of the most sought after skills, whether it be videography, online marketing, web development, or turning your thumbs green.
I took this course because I was so tired of always treating my plants the wrong way. But now I have a much more profound understanding of how to take care of them.
For me, Skillshare is an endless source of inspiration and getting new skills. I have been using Skillshare for several years, taking numerous courses, where the latest one has been how to script, shoot and edit with MKBHD, who you probably know already. I think for me, one of the most rewarding things in life is to obtain a new skills. And even though it's super uncomfortable in the beginning, it usually always pays off in the end. And if you're persistent and willing to be comfortable with being out of your comfort zone, maybe one day it'll lead to new and exciting paths in your life.
We are still working our way towards 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and Skillshare is a very important part of that journey.
So guys, take action today, and the first 1,000 of our subscribers will get 1 month of free Skillshare premium membership. Let's go!
So we still haven't found all the things we need for the balcony, but here's a little clue to the big reveal of our new project later. Uh-oh, we got him. Well,
are we gonna? We're almost self-sustainable now, Amelia.
Because we have lemons, and that's it. That's all we got. No, actually, I wanted this two big bushes of lavender, but no one has them, so we are gonna be patient and wait for these to grow big and beautiful.
Speaking of big and beautiful, we would like to disclose our next project, which we are super excited about. It's more like a series than a project because we live on Madeira Island and the nature here is amazing. But ever since we moved here early February, we feel like we haven't really explored what this island has to offer. So the last couple of days I've been shopping to a point where we're waiting for 25 to 30 packages. I've shopped everything for camping in the wild. I'm a gear guy, so...
And all I said was, I want to do wild camping. But
yeah, but no, because we're not just going to do this once. We're going to do this again and again, and we're going to be finding all sorts of unique places to camp. So more on that coming later.
The real project, guys, is that I am starting a cooking channel next to our actual channel, So this is an addition, and this is gonna be me showing how to cook different dishes. And I've been wanting to do this forever, and a lot of you guys has been asking for this forever, so it's happening, and now we are gonna go grocery shop for it. Not grocery shop, but shop.
What's the premise?
Well, the whole idea is to make cooking fun and easy and to make it in a way where everyone knows how to do it, basically. So I'm gonna take and make different themes, and I'm gonna make series of different food, for example, Portuguese food, Mexican food.
Which you're starting out with Portuguese food,
course,
since we have
I
you
have
guys.
a love for that, right? And then we're gonna do some keto food while this puppy is in keto. So it's gonna be a lot of different stuff. But everything I'm making is something that I think is tasty. I don't want to make healthy food that is not tasty. It has to be like super tasty.
And greasy food.
And good looking food that looks good,
And I will be filming and directing, so...
Not directing.
I will be directing, Amelia.
He doesn't
I'm
know
like
how
the
to
Steven,
cook.
I'm the Steve...
You don't know how to
I'm
cook.
Steven Spielberg of food
How are you
vlogging.
gonna direct when you don't know how to cook?
Well, I'm not telling you how to mix the spices.
Also, even filming, you'll be like, I wanna film this now. I'm like, well, I'm not
Okay,
cooking
this is
that
gonna
now.
be great, as you can
This
tell.
is gonna be I need new pans and pots because we have some that has been very good, but recently we learned that certain pans and pots are very unhealthy for you because they release so many toxins. And then I had a look at our pans and pots conditions, and I think we are already
We
sick.
probably already are
Yeah.
getting cancer. Uh-oh.
So now we can't afford cooking anymore. And then I also need mandolin iron, which is something I've been wanting for the last 4 years or something. This is gonna be my new workstation when we're filming the food vlog. And I'm super excited.
What's the name of your new cooking channel?
It is How's It Cooking? Good looking. I think that the name actually says a lot about what the whole channel is gonna be about. It's a lot of how to and know-how in a kitchen. It's gonna be fun, and we're gonna cook.
What are we
So-
cooking now?
Well, today I'm cooking keto because Jon is still on keto. So we are having delicious keto food. How's it cooking good looking? Today we are making keto lamb chops. So the first thing that we're gonna do in today's recipe is that we are gonna make a marinade that we are gonna add on the lamb chops after cooking them. And that's gonna be in a blender or a food processor or whatever you got. Traditionally you would use a lot of thyme and garlic when you make lamb chops. But today we're actually gonna use a bunch of other herbs because I have all these herbs left that I got from a farm here in Madeira, and I wanna use them because they're getting a little not so pretty. And when your herbs turns out this way, that's when you make a pesto or a herb oil or whatever, so you don't have to waste it. So the things that are leaves, I just put them in as they are. But all the stilks and everything that is a little bit longer, I chop up because I'm blending this and my blender is not super good. But actually, if you, for example, use basilicum, the stilk of basilicum has so much flavor in it, so it's actually a good idea to use that too. So with the oregano that is also fresh, I don't use the stilk here because it has this tangy, weird flavor that I don't like. But you can use them for if you roast potatoes, for example. Just save them and then leave them with roasted potatoes because they still leave a lot of flavor. I'm gonna juice up a lime fruit that is a little bit more sweet and a lemon because we need some juice in this to blend it. I'm gonna use some olive oil and lots of it because everyone loves olive oil. And a little bit of sea salt or Himalaya salt actually. You can use whatever you want. And a lot of pepper. Let's blend this puppy. So when it comes to the onion here, I decided to chop out the onion by itself and then afterwards put it in here. And I do that because I like the pieces of onion. I like to bring some texture. If you don't like the texture of onion, which I know a lot of people don't, you put it in the blender before you put everything else, and it will mix very nicely into that. And the same goes for the garlic. If you don't want big chunks of garlic, you put it in the blender. You guys are about to witness the easiest cheesy tomato sauce you have ever seen in your life. This is a recipe that my friend found online, and now I'm making a little twist to it. It's a feta cheese tomato sauce.
Is that the TikTok one?
The TikTok one, yeah. And when you see how easy it is, you're like, oh my god, I need to make a TikTok account. At least that's what I thought. One delicious piece of feta cheese, 300 grams of nice tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, freshly ground pepper, and lots of it. Delicious salt flakes. I think I use about a tablespoon, which can be a lot for some people. So if you don't like too salty, use a little less. And of course, our beautiful olive oil, which is the most essential part of any kitchen. We're gonna add some garlic because garlic is good for you as well. We have 250 grams of asparagus. These are overdue, and We are gonna take only the good part of them. And how to know where to cut an asparagus is that you go like this, and you can see where the breaking point is. That means that this is the good part to eat, and this is not so good anymore. The feta, cream cheese, 30 minutes. The asparagus and sweet potatoes, 25 minutes. 200 degrees, is it called hot air? This icon is what you're gonna put it on. I'm gonna use some Himalaya salt. Same goes for the pepper, don't go overboard. I'm gonna use my new pan for the first time, and I almost feel like a professional chef now, you know?
You are!
Except I don't have my hair up and gloves and all these things.
Where's your hat? Where's your cooking chef hat?
Because Jon is on keto, we're gonna use a lot of fat. This is a lot, but this is what we're gonna use. Look how pretty she is. Oh my
so
goodness, it looks good. This is my grandmother's recipe on tzatziki. This is the Greek version, you know, this is how you're supposed to do it. And just because Jon loves it, I'm gonna add that as well. It has a lot of fat, a lot of protein. Yeah, bon appetit, Mr. Keto.
Oh. Det ser godt ud.
Det er ikke så pænt, men jeg tror smagen er god. Skål.
Delicious.
But guys, I would love if you would head over to my food channel and give it a sub and some of the videos a like, because I already have a selection of videos over there, mainly on Portuguese food. Leave a comment, and I mean, if you have like a certain recipe you want me to try, or just a dish that you don't know how to make and I can try and figure out how to make it, I would gladly do that. But don't ask me to make the pastel de nata. I won't do it. Planted our new lavenders, and we fixed up the balcony, so now we don't have all our dead trees that I have killed along with the trip from Lisbon, mostly me.
But it looks super nice, and it will obviously.
It will be. I mean, it's a little naked now, but we have planted it the way we were told to plant it, so in a couple of months they will be blooming and they will be beautiful.
But how big will they get?
They can get, in this pot, they can get really big.
And look at all this here made it.
Yes, I arranged all of this as well.
It looks so nice.
Also because of the food vlog, now we need to have fresh herbs all the time.
But guys, now we have 2 YouTube channels. And yes. I'm sure she will overtake our main channel very fast.
We will overtake it because Jon is 50% of the new channel as
no,
well.
you can get any camera. You can get any camera guy to do what I do.
But
you are the X factor.
But not a cameraman like this one.
Okay. But yeah, go subscribe to my girlfriend.
Yeah, my new channel, guys. Come subscribe, and
tons of videos are coming up.
Yes, I am like, if it was up to me, I would film a new video every day, but it takes a lot to film and edit. Yeah. So we'll take it slow, but we will push videos. And
soon we will also go wild camping. We're just waiting for our equipment.
And of course, I will also take my food channel to the wild camping.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah. But guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment and all the things on both channels. It would make us so happy.
Yeah.
Obrigada por ver o vídeo.
Até logo, guys. See you.
Até logo.
See you in the next one.
Ciao.
Couple of days.
Go to House of Cooking. Good looking.
And there's nothing I can do for you.